This is what I like to call the meat of the fade. We've done 0 refinements and I've already made it look like that he's got a perfectly good haircut. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna utilize scissor over comb techniques to come in here, clean everything up, and marry the top with the sides. So now we're gonna be using our Shear branded Luna 6.5-inch shears and our comb, which provides contrast to the natural color of his hair. You'll be able to see the hair inside of the comb and see where you're cutting. So what I'm looking for with scissor over comb is I'm looking for dark patches. And I'm using the tips of the scissors to really almost point cut out the dark shadows that are within the hair. I can also take shear on scalp and point cut weight away to further refine the haircut. So you'll never cut them. Now we just got to marry the sides with the top. Whenever you're using scissor over comb, we're going to do a skill and a drill. You're going to comb opposite way of the direction that you're going to go. Find your weight, come in, pick up, and cut. Comb down, pick up, find your guide at the bottom, and cut.